Ever felt like your brain is running on dial-up, stuck in a thick, invisible cloud? Like you're reading the same sentence 3 times, or searching for a word that's right on the tip of your tongue, yet stubbornly out of reach? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. This mental sluggishness, this persistent feeling of being tired but wired, is what many of us call brain fog. And for a lot of people, the first solution is often another cup of coffee, another energy drink. But caffeine, while offering a temporary boost, often just masks the deeper issue. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a leaky pipe. It might slow the drip, but it won't fix the leak. Today, we're going to talk about a simple, caffeine-free 24-hour reset plan designed to clear that fog, sharpen your mind, and get you feeling focused and clear, starting as soon as tomorrow. So, what exactly is brain fog? Think of it as a temporary disruption in your brain's ability to perform at its best. It's not a medical condition in itself, but rather a symptom, a signal your body sends when something is a bit off. It's that feeling of mental fatigue, poor concentration, and a general lack of clarity that can make even simple tasks feel like climbing a mountain. What causes it? A number of common culprits often work together to create this cloudy sensation. Dehydration is a big one. Your brain is mostly water, so even slight dehydration can impact its function. Unstable blood sugar levels, often from erratic eating habits or too much sugar, can lead to energy crashes that affect your mental clarity. Poor sleep is an obvious contender. Sleep is when your brain cleans house and consolidates memories. Chronic stress keeps your nervous system in overdrive, making sustained focus difficult. A lack of physical activity means less blood flow to your brain, and too much screen time, especially late at night, can overstimulate and disrupt your natural rhythms. When these factors pile up, your brain struggles to keep all its intricate systems running smoothly. It affects blood flow, throws off the delicate balance of your neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers in your brain, and messes with your natural circadian rhythm, your internal clock. But here's the good news. Because brain fog is often a symptom of these everyday habits, it can often be reversed surprisingly quickly. And we're going to tackle it in just one day. This plan is all about giving your brain what it needs to perform optimally, without relying on artificial stimulants. Let's break it down. The first few hours after waking set the stage for your entire day. We want to start strong. First thing, even before your feet hit the floor, hydrate. Keep a large glass of water by your bed. As soon as you wake up, drink it. Your body loses fluids overnight, and your brain needs water to function. Think of it like watering a plant first thing in the morning. It needs that drink to stand tall. This simple act immediately kickstarts your system, improving blood flow and cognitive function. Next, get some morning light exposure. Step outside for 10 to 15 minutes or sit by a bright window. Don't stare directly at the sun, just let natural light hit your eyes. This isn't about vitamin D, it's about signaling to your brain that the day has begun. This natural light exposure, especially within the first hour of waking, is a powerful cue for your circadian rhythm. It helps regulate your internal clock, telling your body it's time to be alert and awake, which can dramatically reduce that groggy, foggy feeling. Finally, engage in a short movement session. This doesn't have to be an intense workout. A brisk 10 to 15-minute walk, some gentle stretching, or even a few jumping jacks will do. The goal is to get your blood flowing and your heart rate up slightly. Movement sends oxygen-rich blood to your brain, waking it up and improving circulation. It's like clearing the cobwebs out of a room. Everything just feels fresher and more active. As the day progresses, we need to maintain that momentum and prevent those notorious afternoon slumps. For your meals, especially lunch, focus on protein. This means lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, or lentils. Avoid heavy, sugary, or refined carb-loaded meals that can lead to a quick energy spike followed by an inevitable crash. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, providing a steady, sustained release of energy that keeps your brain fueled and focused, preventing that dreaded post-lunch brain fog. When you feel stress or mental fatigue creeping in, take a 5-minute breathing reset. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Repeat this for 5 minutes. This simple practice activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. It calms your nervous system, lowers stress hormones, and helps clear your mind, making it easier to return to tasks with renewed focus. Lastly, and this is a tough one for many, reduce cognitive clutter and stop multitasking. Our brains are not designed to juggle 5 complex tasks at once. When you try to do too many things, you scatter your mental energy, making it harder to focus deeply on any one thing. Instead, pick one task, dedicate your full attention to it for a set period, and then move to the next. This focused approach reduces mental overwhelm and improves your concentration, making your thinking clearer and more efficient. The choices you make in the evening directly impact the quality of your sleep, which is fundamental to a clear mind the next day. First, an hour or two before bed, reduce blue light exposure. This means dimming the lights in your home and putting away your phone, tablet, and computer. The blue light emitted from screens can suppress melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. By reducing this blue light, you allow your natural sleep signals to take over, setting the stage for deeper, more restorative sleep. Secondly, avoid late-night sugar. That ice cream or sugary snack before bed might taste good, but it can wreak havoc on your sleep. Sugar can cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash during the night, leading to restless sleep and fragmented sleep cycles. Stick to something light and protein-rich if you must snack, but ideally, avoid eating too close to bedtime altogether. Finally, and most importantly, protect your sleep quality. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of undisturbed sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, a warm bath, reading a physical book, gentle stretching, or listening to calming music. Good sleep isn't a luxury. It's a non-negotiable for brain health. It's when your brain literally cleanses itself, repairing and restoring, preparing you for peak performance the next day. Why this plan works? This 24-hour reset plan isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's built on fundamental human physiology. Each step directly addresses the underlying causes of brain fog. Hydration and movement boost vital blood flow to your brain, ensuring it gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Stable blood sugar from protein-rich meals and stress reduction through breathing techniques help balance your neurotransmitters, allowing your brain cells to communicate effectively. Regulating your circadian rhythm with morning light and prioritizing quality sleep optimizes your brain's natural repair and restorative processes. You're essentially giving your brain the perfect conditions to function at its best, clearing the path for mental clarity and sharp focus. So, don't just take my word for it. Tomorrow, commit to this 24-hour reset. Try these simple, practical steps and notice the difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed content on optimizing your performance. This information is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your health regimen or if you have any health concerns.